We all know that kids are very curious about everything. Their eyes are always open and they always have questions in their minds. And this curiosity is very important for their learning and development. And the purpose of a kids educational channel is also to increase this curiosity and help kids learn new things. So today my channel idea is that we can teach kids about science, math, history and many different interesting topics. So for this, first I'll go to GPT, or you can also use Google Bard, which has now been converted to Gemini. And there I'll give this prompt. Write a short script for a YouTube video that shares cool and fun facts about animals, space, dinosaurs or anything else that kids find interesting. So you can see that it has given me some interesting facts. If you like it, you can copy it as it is. Otherwise, you can also edit it. So I've edited my script and copied it to Google Docs. And now after this, I'll give it the second prompt. Give me text to image generating prompts for each scene. So it has given me prompts for generating images as well. So I'll simply copy them to Google Docs too. And now I'll get these images generated from any image generator. So for this, today I'm using Playground AI. Simply after going to the website, I'll click on the create button. Then I'll decide on my filter here and write my prompt here. So I simply copy my first prompt from here and paste it here. Then on the right side, I'll set the dimensions of my image, whether I want to be vertical or horizontal. And I'll select the number of images from below. Once everything is set, I'll click on generate. So you can see how amazing images have been generated. I'll continue this process one by one, pasting all my prompts here and generating images. So all my images have been generated here. From these, I simply download the ones I want to use. And then we'll also generate the voice. So for that, we'll go to the 11 Labs website. I've recently seen some new voices there, and among them I really like Chris' voice. So today I'll check using that one. So I've selected the voice, I adjusted the settings and pasted the script here. Now let's generate it. So the voice has been generated. As I mentioned earlier, I tried his voice and it was very good, but it wasn't quite fitting for the kids related video I want to make. So I changed the voice. So now that our voice has been generated and our images have been created, let's move on to our animation. So for animation, today I'm using Canva. So we'll go to the Canva website and click on the video option. Then we'll search for Speed Paint in the application. Once the Speed Paint application is on, we'll click on Choose File and select the image we want to animate. After selecting the image, we need to decide how long the sketch should last. 1 second, 3 seconds or 5 seconds. Let's select 5 seconds. And after that, I'll click on the second option here. I want it to be colorful, so I'll select the duration of 3 seconds. And here we have different hand styles and you can choose any hand style you like. And after that, we simply click on Animate Image. So now you can see that our image has been animated. Then we'll simply click on the plus sign and here we'll change our image again and animate our scene number 2. So now my second scene has also been animated. Let's check it as well. We'll right click and set the video as the background. So I'll animate all the images in the same way. So all my images have been animated and I'll download them from here. And after that, I'll import all the elements into an editing tool. The voiceover and the file of the images we generated and animated. So first I'll set up my voiceover, then I'll set up the video with animation and adjust it according to the voiceover. And wherever each of my animated images ends, I'll cut it and set its image as well. As you have seen, after each animated image, I've set its corresponding still image. So now after this, I'll add transactions, effects and showcase my creativity within the video. And when my editing is finalized, I'll export it. So my video is ready. Let's see the final result.
Welcome to our exploration of animal superpowers. Let's uncover the extraordinary abilities some creatures possess. First up, camouflage. The chameleon, a master of disguise, vanishes with a blink. Next, echolocation. Bats and dolphins see with sound waves, navigating with precision. And finally, electric shocks. The electric eel stuns prey with up to 600 volts. From camouflage to electric shocks, nature's wonders await discovery. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the world of animal superpowers.
Wow, those brains must be brimming with fun facts now. Just like you, I'm always learning something new. Remember, knowledge is an amazing adventure. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and who knows, maybe you'll discover something incredible.